Contour intervals. The elevation difference between contour lines that are next to each other is called the contour interval. The map shown above has a contour interval of 50 meters. You can find the elevation of an unlabeled contour by the numbered index contours. First, find the closest index contour below the contour you're trying to identify. Then count up to the unlabeled contour line by 50s. From the index contour, you can find the elevation. Using this method, you can find that the elevation of the first unlabeled contour line on the map above is 1,850 meters. The closest index contour line below it is 1,800 meters. By adding 50 meters, you determine the height of the first unlabeled contour line. Notice that the contour line on the top of the mountain forms a little root with a dot in the middle of it. This dot represents the highest point of the mountain, 2,227 meters. The V-shaped contours pointing downhill indicate ridges. The small V-shape pointing uphill indicate a stream, valley, or drainage. The spacing of contours indicates slope. Slope is a measure of the steepness of the land. If contours are spaced far apart, the slope is gradual or flat. If the contours are close together, the slope is steep. Topographic profiles. The information that contour lines provide on a topographic map can be used to draw an accurate profile of the topography. To make a topographic profile graph, map makers first draw a profile line on the contour map. Then they transfer the elevations of the contours crossed by the profile line to the y-axis of the topographic profile graph. Using topographic profiles can help you find the easiest path to take when crossing the land. Symbols on topographic map. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, is the government agency responsible for mapping the United States. It has been mapping the United States since the late 18s. Most topographic maps that you see are made by USGS. The table below shows some of the symbols used on the USGS topographic map. Contour lines are brown on land and blue underwater. Green represents vegetation such as oats and water in rivers. Lakes and oceans is shown in blue. Buildings are shown as black squares or black rectangles. Except in cities. In cities, pink shading is used to indicating that housing is close together. Roads and railroads can be shown on topographic maps. Notice the different kinds of roads are represented by different symbols. If new information appears on the map, it is shown in purple.